Hello guys, in this tutorial we focus on the functions in Python. So first directly we will see the use of function. What exactly function? So in programming, function is a self-contained block of code that encapsulates a specific task. Specific task means it will perform particular task or related group of tasks, means we can perform more than one task by using single function. So what happen once you create the function, we first decide what task it is going to be happen. Suppose I want to perform addition of two number program, so in that function we will do the coding for addition of two number. Okay, and actually in every programming language there is a concept of function, and there are two kinds of function: user defined and predefined. Predefined function we already use, print, input. So this is what the function. And in the function, I just tell you, in the function there is a use of the brackets. We use round bracket. For example, we have seen print function. Okay, we use print function in program, so it is containing the round brackets. So this is what predefined function. Like input also is a function, but in Python we have, in every programming language we have the user defined function. User defined means you have to decide its name and you can put the code according to your requirement. Okay, so that is what user defined function. And the main use of that function is code reusability, means you can reuse that function many times. Suppose you want to execute the code of addition of two number 5 times, so it doesn't mean that you have to do that coding 5 times. Once you have done the coding in that function, you just call that function 5 times, so your time will save, your effort will save. So it provides the reusability concept. So in this tutorial we focus on actually three kinds of function. First we will do it function with parameter, function without parameters. What is parameter you will get to know practically, and function with the input values that is decided by the user. So now here we go in the our IDE, and there we will type the code for the function. So here we will see, dear student, how we can use the function. So first you have to start with this def keyword, and after that you have to write the function name. So I am going to have addition task, so my function name is simple addition, and this is the bracket, it indicates that we have the function. And then at the end you have to use colon, so it will indicate the body. Then indentation will come, and here actually it will refer, whatever you will write the code, it will refer to the add function. And here we, inside that we don't have any parameter, so it is what default. Okay, so here inside it we have, you can say, no parameter, and then here I will type the code. So inside this function actually I am doing the code for the addition of two number. So first I will take a print function, and there I will write the message addition. So here we have done one output statement addition. Now our next is what I will just write here some values you can give, like a equals to 10, b equals to 20, and then c equals to a plus b. This is what the condition of simple addition of two number. Then I will take the print statement, and inside it I will show the variable c. So it will show the addition task, means our output we are expecting 30. So that is the coding we have done in this function. Now here we have to execute this code. So this is what the, you can say, the called function or function definition. Inside that we put some code. Now we have to run this code. So how it will run? So you have to just type the method. So that is exactly the calling function. So this signature means inside it we have no parameter, and the function name is add. Here also it is same. So this is actually the function definition, and inside it we have the call. So you can say it is a call function in programming way, and this is the calling function because it will call that function. So this function, when you run the program, so actually compiler will check this code, and then this calling function will call to that function, and this all the code will run. So this is the coding. So when it will run this, the addition of two number will happen and you are getting addition output. So now we just run this code. So you see addition 20 plus 10 is 30. So it means our code is running properly. Now we will do some changes in the program because now we have seen a function without parameter. So what we will do, I will add some parameter like x and y. These are my parameters. So once you add the parameter here, then what happen, at the same time you have to pass the values 3 comma, suppose I am just right now same value for avoiding your confusion. So this is what 10 and 20. So this we have two values. So that's the reason we have two parameter. If we have three value, we have three parameter. Got it? So now we are going to perform again addition. So as we are passing the value, we don't need this two statement. And then here c equal to a plus b. So I am writing here c equal to x plus y because I am using x and y variable. And here there is a print c, so you can use it because this value will be stored to the c. So how it will work, as usual compiler will check this function, then this function will call to this. So 10 and 20 will be plus, so here the x value is 10, y value is 20, so it will assign to c and we are getting the output 30. So that is what the function with parameter. Now we will just check it out the output. So now you see we are getting the same output, but only the writing way is different. So that is what function with parameter. Now we will do it in the third way, that is the input values, means how we can provide the input value. So here I will just remove this one also I will remove it, and here in place of that values I will just take the values as a input. So it's very simple actually. X equal to, you have to as usual do the code, means you have to use the input function. So that is what input, enter value is the message, enter first value. So this is my first message. I just copy this code. This variable will be y. Enter second value. Enter first and second value, we did it now. C equal to x plus y, so it will print that value. We just check the output. Here I give the space so that output will be more proper. Code is running properly. Enter the first value 10, enter the second value 20, and now we are getting 30. So our code is running properly. So in this way you can use it function according to your requirement. You can pass parameter or don't pass the parameter, you have to use it. So or you can put the values from the user like that. Okay, so that thing is totally depends on you, whichever the variety you want you can do it. And in the coming tutorial again we will play with the function, we will provide more functionality with the function. We are going to see how we can have the return statement in the function. So everything we will see there. So I hope dear student you understood this tutorial, and I just advise you have to do the practice for your better understanding. Thanks for watching this. Thank you.